Diabetics must manage their diet. So, have you ever wondered if people with diabetes can eat eggs? Now you don't have to worry because according to the American Diabetes Association, eggs are the right food choice for diabetics. One egg apparently contains only a small amount of carbohydrates, which is about 0.5 grams. That means egg consumption will not cause a spike in blood sugar. Important ingredients in eggs for diabetics. Eggs contain a variety of nutrients that are beneficial for diabetic patients, namely protein. Eggs are also recommended for the breakfast menu of people with diabetes because they contain 7 grams of protein. Protein in eggs has important benefits, such as giving a feeling of fullness so that it can prevent diabetics from overeating, which can increase carbohydrates and fats. Potassium. A whole egg also contains potassium, which can maintain and improve nerve and muscle health. Potassium also helps balance sodium levels in the body, thus maintaining the cardiovascular health of people with diabetes. Aids in the metabolism of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Maintains healthy skin. Manage hair loss. Keeps blood sugar stable. Omega-3. Eggs from organic chickens are also rich in omega-3s, which can reduce fasting blood sugar and insulin resistance in diabetic patients. Egg consumption limit. Diabetics should only consume 3 whole eggs a week. The reason is, according to a research, eggs contain high cholesterol, which is 186 milligrams. All of this cholesterol is in the yolk. Meanwhile, diabetics should only get 300 milligrams of cholesterol intake per day to prevent complications of cardiovascular disease. If you like eggs, you should only eat the white part. You are also advised to process eggs by boiling, not frying. Fried eggs will get additional cholesterol and fat from cooking oil.